Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into one of the most talked about electric vehicles of the year, the brand new Tesla Model Y. Whether you're a Tesla fan, an EV enthusiast, or just curious about what all the hype is about, this video is for you. We'll cover everything from design and performance to tech features, charging, and whether it's worth your hard-earned money. So, buckle up and let's get started. Exterior design. First up, let's talk about the design. The Tesla Model Y is essentially a bigger version of the Model 3, but with a more SUV-like shape. It's sleek, modern, and unmistakably Tesla. The minimalist front fascia, with no grille, gives it a futuristic look, while the aerodynamic curves help it achieve impressive efficiency. One of the standout features is the panoramic glass roof, which not only looks amazing, but also makes the interior feel more spacious. And check out these 19-inch Gemini wheels. Standard on the base model, but you can upgrade to 20-inch induction wheels for a sportier look. Now let's talk practicality. The Model Y has a massive rear trunk and an additional front trunk, or frunk, giving you plenty of storage space for groceries, luggage, or even camping gear. Interior and comfort. Step inside, and you'll immediately notice Tesla's signature minimalist interior. There's no clutter, just a 15-inch touchscreen that controls almost everything in the car. The seats are comfortable and supportive, with vegan leather upholstery that feels premium. The cabin is surprisingly quiet, thanks to Tesla's focus on noise reduction. And with the glass roof, the interior feels bright and airy. Everything from climate control to navigation is handled through this touchscreen. It's intuitive, responsive, and packed with features like streaming music, games, and even Netflix for when you're charging. Now, let's talk about space. The Model Y is a 5-seater, but you can opt for a 7-seater configuration. The rear seats are roomy, and there's plenty of legroom and headroom, even for taller passengers. Plus, the flat floor makes it comfortable for everyone. Performance and driving experience. Now, let's get to the fun part. Performance. The Tesla Model Y comes in several configurations: the long range, performance, and standard range. The long range model, which we're driving today, goes from 0 to 60 mph in just 4.8 seconds, while the performance model does it in a blistering 3.5 seconds. The instant torque from the electric motors makes acceleration feel effortless. Whether you're merging onto the highway or passing slower traffic, the Model Y responds instantly. And thanks to the low center of gravity from the battery pack, it handles corners like a dream. Of course, we can't talk about Tesla without mentioning Autopilot. The standard version includes features like adaptive cruise control and lane keeping assist. But you can upgrade to full self-driving for even more advanced capabilities. It's not fully autonomous yet, but it's a huge step toward the future of driving. Range and charging. One of the biggest concerns people have about electric vehicles is range. Well, the Model Y long range has an EPA estimated range of 330 miles, which is more than enough for most daily commutes and road trips. Charging is also a breeze with Tesla's supercharger network. You can get up to 200 miles of range in just 15 minutes at a supercharger. And if you're charging at home, a level 2 charger will give you about 30 miles of range per hour. You can even monitor your charging progress and precondition the car using the Tesla app. It's all incredibly convenient and user-friendly. Tech and safety features. The Model Y is packed with tech features that make driving safer and more enjoyable. The touchscreen is the hub for everything, including navigation, media, and even a built-in dashcam. Safety is also a top priority for Tesla. The Model Y comes with advanced driver assistance features, including automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, and collision avoidance. It's consistently earned top safety ratings, making it a great choice for families. And don't forget about Sentry Mode, which uses the car's cameras to monitor your surroundings when you're parked. It's like having a security system for your car. Price and value now. Let's talk about the price. The Tesla Model Y long range starts at around 50,000, while the performance model starts at around 60,000. That's not cheap. But when you factor in the savings on fuel and maintenance, it's a compelling value. Plus, depending on where you live, you may be eligible for federal or state incentives that can lower the price even further. And let's not forget the long-term savings on gas and oil changes, real-world ownership experience. Now let's talk about what it's like to live with the Tesla Model Y on a daily basis. One of the biggest advantages of owning a Tesla is the over-the-air software updates. These updates not only improve performance and add new features, but also keep your car feeling fresh and up to date. With the Tesla app, you can control almost every aspect of your car remotely. Want to preheat the cabin on a cold morning? Done. Need to check your charging status? Easy. You can even unlock and start your car from your phone, which is super convenient. Speaking of convenience, the Model Y uses a key card or your smartphone as a key. No more fumbling for keys. Just walk up to the car and it unlocks automatically. And let's not forget about the practicality. The Model Y has a ton of cargo space, with 68 cubic feet of storage when the rear seats are folded down. Whether you're hauling groceries, luggage, or even a bike, the Model Y has you covered. Comparing the Model Y to competitors. Of course, the Model Y isn't the only electric SUV on the market. So how does it stack up against the competition? Let's take a quick look. The Ford Mustang Mach-E and the Hyundai Ioniq 5 are both strong contenders, offering similar range and performance. However, the Model Y has a few key advantages, like Tesla's supercharger network, which is far more extensive and reliable than other charging networks. One area where Tesla has faced criticism in the past is build quality. While the Model Y has improved in this regard, some competitors still offer a more polished interior. That said, Tesla's tech and software are second to none, giving it a clear edge in terms of innovation. Ultimately, the Model Y is a great choice if you value performance, tech, and charging convenience. But if you're looking for a more traditional SUV experience, you might want to consider the competition. Customization and accessories. One of the fun aspects of buying a Tesla is the ability to customize your car. The Model Y comes in several colors, including classic white, sleek black, and bold red. You can also choose between different wheel options and interior finishes. Tesla also offers a range of accessories, like all-weather floor mats, a roof rack, and even a tow hitch. These accessories can enhance the functionality and style of your Model Y, making it truly your own. And if you're looking for even more options, there's a thriving market for third-party accessories. From custom wraps to aftermarket wheels, the possibilities are endless. Final thoughts and who should buy the model? So, who is the Tesla Model Y for? If you're looking for a practical, fun-to-drive electric SUV with cutting-edge tech and impressive range, the Model Y is a fantastic choice. It's perfect for families, commuters, and anyone who wants to embrace the future of driving. That said, the Model Y isn't without its drawbacks. The minimalist interior might not appeal to everyone, and the reliance on the touchscreen for almost everything can take some getting used to. Additionally, while Tesla's build quality has improved, it's still not quite on par with some luxury brands. Overall, the Model Y offers a compelling package that's hard to beat. It's practical, efficient, and packed with features that make every drive enjoyable. If you're ready to make the switch to electric, the Model Y is definitely worth considering. And that's our in-depth look at the new Tesla Model Y. We've covered everything from design and performance to tech features and real-world ownership. Whether you're a Tesla enthusiast or just curious about electric vehicles, we hope this video has given you a better understanding of what the Model Y has to offer. If you enjoyed this video, Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. And if you've driven or own a Model Y, let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.